Hi, good morning and good afternoon, guys. Wherever you are watching right now around the world, have a good day. So, behind me here, this is the 2020 BMW M850i. We're gonna do the full paint protection for this one. So, to ensure full coverage, I'm gonna have to take these door handles off. So, as you can see right now, it's still intact in there. So, all the tools I need is this T15 Torx, and then the light. You need this light to see the holes. There are two screws behind this one here. Two screws, which is the octagon and this. And for the octagon one, you didn't have to take that thing off. You only need to loosen this T15 screw, and all this handle will come off. So here we go. Open it. Okay. Open this rubber here. Okay, there's a hole. Right here you can see the octagon one. Don't take it off. Go all the way underneath. With this long screw, you need a long screw. So stick in there all the way down. You need this light. You need that light pointed there. Okay. So now my screw is already in the screw. I'm just gonna loosen that. Feel it? Now I'm good. So that's already loose. So you can see right now the door will come off. Boom, that's it. Just unplug the wire and you're all good to go. Thank you for watching, and if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, and it means a lot to me. And if you like our video for today, please hit that like button, and have a good day. Be safe. Bye.